This guided meditation will help you to relax your body and calm down your mind so you can fall asleep easily and get a good night's rest. Before we begin, please turn off any devices that might interrupt you and make sure that your room temperature is pleasant and your clothing is comfortable. Lying in bed, listen to your body and get yourself as comfortable as you can. Letting these words reach you in a relaxed way. You don't need to actively pay attention to it. Simply let yourself go, allowing these words to gently wash over you. Close your eyes if you haven't already, and just take a moment to acknowledge your present mental and bodily state. Be aware of whatever you are experiencing. How does your mind feel right now? Is it agitated? Just become aware. Don't try to change anything right now. Simply pay attention to it. Does your body feel restless or maybe tired? Let everything be as it is right now. Just pay attention to it, as if you were looking from a distance, unaffected, undisturbed. Let's take a few deep breaths now, inhaling and exhaling through your nose. Breathe in, bringing clarity and serenity to your mind. And breathe out, releasing any worries or anxiety. Breathe in again, feeling your lungs expanding. And breathe out, letting go of any tension in your body. In this way, use your exhalation to let go and relax. Breath after breath, your mind starts to calm down. Breath after breath, your body gets more and more relaxed. Allow your breath to flow naturally now. Don't try to control it or stretch it. Let it be as it wants to be, coming and going as its own natural rhythm. Let us take a few moments to simply notice the breath coming and going, at ease and relaxed. If you find that your mind is still restless, that's okay. Don't try to fight it. Simply acknowledge it and gently bring your attention back to the breath. Let it be and let it go. Soon you will find that your mind settles down as your body gets more and more relaxed. And now, bring to your mind the image of the ocean. Visualize the calming sound of the waves coming and going, mirroring your breath. Your body starts feeling heavy as if you were sinking a little bit on your bed. Totally relaxed, totally at peace. Let the body soften as you hear the sound of the waves in the distance. Use your breath to synchronize with them in perfect harmony. Sleep will come on its own. Just stay there for a few moments, enjoying this moment of peace and calm. Everything is perfectly at peace. You can let everything unwind. You can rest knowing that everything is in its place and in balance right now. Allow yourself to drift into a deeper level of relaxation. At ease, without any worries, completely relaxed, drifting into sleep. Let yourself go.